Being a BC landlord means following the Residential Tenancy Act. Compliance isn't optional, it's essential risk management. First, your foundation. Always use the standard BC written tenancy agreement. Ensure signed copies for everyone. No shortcuts here. Next, security deposits. The limit is half a month's rent held separately. Never use it for repairs without a written agreement or RTB order. Remember, you have exactly 15 days to return the deposit with interest after the tenancy ends, unless you're filing a formal claim. Don't skip inspections. Move-in and move-out condition reports signed by both parties are your only legal basis for damage claims. Respect privacy. You must give 24 hours written notice for non-emergency entry. Tenants have a right to quiet enjoyment. Respecting this prevents most disputes. Finally, know your resources. The residential tenancy branch handles disputes, but a landlord-tenant lawyer is worth the consultation for complex cases. Stay educated, stay compliant, and protect your cash flow. For more investment strategies, check out the resources in my bio.